There are a few areas that we are not in agreement with the court. But the fact that we don't agree with them is neither here nor there now. This is the highest court of the land. It has made its decision. We will accept and respect that decision. But that doesn't do away with the Zimbabwean question. That doesn't do away with the Zimbabwean political problem. By the figures that were announced by ZEC, we have the two candidates almost sharing 50-50. And that means the Zimbabwean society is divided. Okay. The fact that a court has ruled against us does not mean we do not have a cause. And as you may have heard from the court, it was talking about the absence of this material, the absence of that material, and so on. We still think that by the figures announced by ZEC, this election must have been annulled. 3 figures were announced by the election management body, which figures were different. And that alone should have vitiated this election. Then said in court that we should prove that the material said what we thought it said. It was for them to produce that material, which they didn't do. Now, you are saying, what should we do? There are a number of things that we can do, but I do not want to preempt the National Executive Council of the MDC, which is meeting next Wednesday to decide the way forward. But there are a number of options. There are political options that are there. But whatever we do as the MDC, we are going to act within the law.
But it's quite clear you've run out of legal road now, so the only recourse you have is more protest on the streets. Isn't that very dangerous?
It's not the only thing that we can do. There are a number of things that we can do. Political solutions can be found. But demonstrations in terms of the Zimbabwean law, in terms of the very constitution that the Constitutional Court was interpreting today, allows Zimbabwean people the right to demonstrate. In terms of Section 59, as long as the demonstrations are peaceful, it is the responsibility of this government to ensure that the rights of the Zimbabwean people are respected. We do take exception, of course, at the cowardly acts that were done by the army on the 1st of August. We want Zimbabweans who want to demonstrate to be allowed to demonstrate. We believe that the election was manipulated.